Morning guys, in front of me is POCO C85 and let me show you how to check serial number assigned to this device. So at first open your phone gather, then enter code. The code is *##06#. Here we've got device information with serial located at the bottom of the list. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can also find it via settings. So at first let's open the settings, then reach about phone. Now find and select detailed info and specification, and here mark model. Okay, so if it's not working here, just go down and enter status, and here click on model, and now you've got your serial number. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.